The lunchbox you buy is just as important as the food you pack. I think a lot about how I'm packing lunches in addition to what I'm packing. There are many products available to choose lunchboxes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best lunchboxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 3-in-1 Stainless Steel Bento Box. When it comes to durability, there's nothing quite like stainless steel. A lunchbox made of this hardy material will last for years. This particular product is not only sturdy, it's also incredibly functional. The tiered design allows you to pack lots of food, yet the box itself is pretty compact. The box is dishwasher safe and BPA-free, PVC-free, phthalate-free, and lead-free. For people who work long hours, this is ideal. The many compartments let you stash a sandwich, a side of fruit and veggies, and a snack to tackle those late afternoon hunger pains. Made of 100% food-grade stainless steel, tiered design allows you to pack lots of food, dishwasher safe. Number 2. Flat Bento Box Adult Lunchbox. The slim profile of this bento box is one of its greatest features. It allows the box to fit into most work bags or backpacks without taking up much space, yet the box accommodates plenty of food. This bento box is microwave safe, which is a major plus for adults who want to pack a hot desk lunch. It's also dishwasher safe, yet reviewers also say it's easy to hand wash for people who prefer to go that route. It even comes with an insulated carrying bag. It's an affordable option. Slim, compact bento box slips easily into a work bag. Includes an insulated bag. Microwave safe feature makes heating up lunch at the office so easy. Freezer safe, which allows people to meal prep lunches ahead of time. Number 3. Crock-Pot Electric Lunchbox. Turns out, you can replicate that homey feeling of ladling a hot meal directly from your crock-pot while eating a desk lunch. This electric lunchbox is excellent for commuters who prefer a hot meal. Packing a hot soup or stew has never been easier, as you simply have to plug in this container, and it'll keep your food piping hot until you're ready to eat. Reviewers love that they don't have to wait in line to use the office microwave and rave over how well this electric lunchbox preserves flavors, keeps food hot until lunchtime. Easy to transport thanks to the attached handle. Dishwasher safe. Number 4. Omibox Bento Box. As a mom of 2 preschoolers, I am very familiar with the Omibox. In fact, I have 2 of them in my home and can speak to the ingenuity behind the concept. The built-in thermos allows parents to pack a hot meal for their kids, while the box's other compartments provide space for side dishes right in the same container. The box itself is also adorable, comes in a variety of vibrant colors, and includes a small carrying handle. One of the best features here is the versatility. When I don't want to pack a hot lunch, I can simply remove the included thermos and pack directly in the largest compartment. And while I don't love sending my kids to school with a plastic lunchbox, this is made of BPA-free materials, which gives me peace of mind. That said, this is not the lunchbox I reach for most days. It just isn't the easiest to work with due to its many pieces. Washing the Omibox at the end of the day is particularly cumbersome. Number 5. Bentgo Classic Adult Bento Box. Not only one of the most affordable lunchboxes on the market, this box is also arguably the most multifunctional and space-efficient, and that's why it earns this particular accolade. This particular bento box is so intelligently designed, it contains 2 separate compartments that stack right on top of one another with a set of included utensils packed in between. This box gives you so many options when it comes to what you pack. Stash a hot meal in one compartment and microwave it, then pack your sides in the other compartment and eat them cold. Or, simply take one compartment on the go if you're only looking to pack a snack or smaller lunch. The addition of utensils plus the built-in space to stash them makes this an even greater value find. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.